So the design that had come to life because we had spent 10 weeks designing this and less time actually executing.
I never imagined that we will have a space something like that. So that was something extraordinary than what I had imagined.
Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar Joshi. I'm from North Karnataka but settled in Bangalore for the last 25 years and currently working as a product and strategy manager in a financial data domain.
Hi, I'm Sahana. I'm originally from Shimaga, working as a technical architect in software domain. Currently living in Bangalore for last 2 decades.
I think this was going to be a dream home for us, and we had been scouting for various design houses that would do good quality work in a timely manner, but also with a kind of design that is both modern and classic, something that will stand the test of time.
Yes, I think the journey with the designer really helped us to get vision into reality. Yeah, there are some special features in the kitchen, and also the lighting gives it a special look.
The finish of the house is top notch. You can feel that why you pay a premium to Bonito, because there are no rough edges. It is all absolutely child safe.
My favorite space in this house is the master bedroom. Actually, the design that we had chosen was, I never imagined that we will have a space something like that. So that was something extraordinary than what I had imagined.
My favorite place in the house is actually my study room. It's also called the guest bedroom. The color schemes and the design that Sahana and the designer put together, it just come out really well. It also has a reading room, so that room is really a wonderfully done room in my view. I'm glad I've gone with Bonito than anybody else. Great design, peace of mind, and timely delivery. What more can you expect? So I've been recommending Bonito to a lot of my friends and family.
Yeah, we would definitely recommend Bonito. It's just awesome.